Hi, Jazz family.
What do we have here?
A box that I've been waiting for so long.
But do you have something to open it?
I guess I have this pen.
Can you do it without making it bleed?
No.
Uh-oh. Well, Jazz family, be praying right now, if you're watching this video, that she doesn't ink herself.
Or break the pen?
Well, if you break the pen, then you'll be inking yourself.
I'm using a pen to open this box. Got it.
Yay! Now, can I guess what it is?
Kind of says it all over the box. I could hide it, and you could guess.
Coffee maker.
No.
Instant pot.
No.
Is it a magic lamp and you're gonna get 3 wishes?
No.
Oh, what is it then?
It's a box. Actually, it was in a box. I took it out. Already out of the box. So this was the second box. Guess what? As the third box.
Hey, it's a tea kettle.
So there's one more box.
Oh boy.
Because literally there was that box. Now another box. I just didn't film the first box. Cuisinart.
Ooh.
Enjoy the box, guys. Oh, that's all you guys get to see. You don't get to see actually us unboxing.
What?
Just kidding. See how it goes.
It's directions.
Directions that we'll need later. Maybe.
It's a hat. Okay, you took the hat off. Okay, then there's the sleeping bag that it sleeps in. Now you gotta wake it up.
Wake up!
You woke me up. Good morning. It's time for a healthy tea. It's nice. It's nice and shiny.
It's nice and shiny.
I'm looking at the different buttons. Ooh. Yep. I know she's been waiting that for a long time.
Here, let's see if I can find the bottom. Where's the bottom? Oh, there you are. You were hiding from me. How dare you?
I'm sorry. Did you wake up my friend?
Yes.
So it's time to make tea?
Yes.
Yay, I've been waiting in that box for a long time. So have I. These voices were brought to you by professionals from Jazz Family and She Angel Club. That's a cord.
Let's see how long it is. Oh, this is a pretty decent cord.
Yeah. Yay! Yay! We're back together. Finally.
Just family, and this is the teapot.
Yay! Thank you everybody for coming and joining another Yeah, smaller unboxing, but an unboxing is no matter what.
Unboxing.
And now it's time to drink tea. Bye, everybody.